Alright guys, so this is the Pioneer AppRadio 2. I have it running with AR Unchained on a Samsung Galaxy S4. The software on the S4 is 4.4.2. The phone is rooted and has super user permissions. Also have to make sure your SI Linux, or the Linux, whatever it's called, is set to permissive. Okay, there's apps that can do that for you. But I have the phone right here with the Samsung MHL 2.0 adapter. I was using that phone as my main cell phone, but I just recently got the Note 4. Excuse me. So what I did was, instead of using the Note 4 for the radio, which I'm not even sure if I can at this point because the Note 4 is not able to be rooted for AT&T, but what I did was I just held on to the S4 and I'm using it exclusively for the AppRadio in my vehicle. Now the S4 has no service, so what I do is I tether the Wi-Fi from the Note 4 to the Samsung so that I can, go on apps, go on YouTube, Facebook, Google, GPS, whatever I need to do. It uses all the data through my Note 4. So if I need to use any of those apps, I just turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot on the Note 4, and it gives the S4 full data access. So I'll just show you what I've got going on here, how it works. It's pretty straightforward. I mean, the radio is basically my phone. It is pretty smooth as far as the touch. It all goes through just like the phone would. Sorry for the glare. Your home button is your home button on the phone. So right now it is connected to the Wi-Fi on my Note 4, so this should all work. We'll go to YouTube here. Okay. So if I wanted to search a video, just for example, the voice recognition works. We're gonna go like this. Porsche 911. So that's bringing up, Porsche videos. Let's click on one. Sometimes it takes a little while for it to load up. Yeah, see it pauses so that it can load. I think that's just because it's using the Wi-Fi through my Note 4, but usually once the video starts playing, it keeps up pretty well. So that's all through my car audio. Alright, so that's enough of that. My music. This is all the music that I have on my phone, so I can play any of that stuff. Let's see here. Facebook. It'll pop up just like you normally would use it. All my notifications, news feed. Not that I'm looking at Facebook while I'm driving, but it's just kind of a cool feature to have. Also, I have the Torque app, which is pretty cool to use on this. It basically gives you a digital gauge interface, which would cost you probably $200 to $400 to buy. I don't have my Bluetooth adapter connected right now, but basically, if the car was running, you'd have your full gauge display here, and you can do other stuff. It's got 0 to 60 times, quarter mile times. You can set this up to display pretty much whatever you want. But that registers, my boost engine temp, RPMs, air fuel ratio, you know, whatever parameters you want it to display, it will display. But it says no Bluetooth device selected because I don't have the OBD2 adapter plugged in right now, but it does work perfectly. But yeah, that's it. I mean, I'm using Nova Launcher, so I set it up so that it looked pretty good on the screen display with a clock, and you got the Google bar there. And I wanted it just simple. I uploaded the Audi symbol just as a background. But I mean, it works pretty good. You know, if I wanted to go like this for navigation purposes, Dave's Marketplace. You hit the Google bar.
Here are the listings for Dave's Marketplace within 3 miles.
It searches for you. You click your directions tab. Start navigation. And there it is. You got navigation. So it's pretty cool. If you have any questions about how to hook it up, what you may need, I can try to help. Again, I only have experience with the S4. I did have some issues getting the phone to connect at first. In order to root the phone, I had to flash the phone with a previous kernel version because I couldn't get it rooted with the updated kernel version. So, I mean, if you can find someone who's good with phones, or if you're good yourself, then you should be able to get the phone rooted. But the app will not work if the phone's not rooted, as you probably know. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Everybody I've shown so far seems to like it. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's not really very glitchy at all. I've heard some complaints about, you know, some people having issues with the touch screen. No, yeah, okay. Yeah, you know, some people have had issues with the touch screen, or sometimes it just shuts off. I haven't had any issues like that. It stays on unless I unplug the adapter. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just comment on the video and I'll try to help you out. Alright, thanks.